So the tranny just blew.
Alright guys, I think I just blew my transmission. I have like four neutrals now. Look, just listen, Oh, there we go. Let me put it into drive.
Okay.
It is
driving.
It's driving. Manual swap might be coming soon. I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but I think the engine, the transmission just blew. I don't know.
That's what you get for doing so many pulls?
Bro, I allegedly, I'm not saying I did, do a pull.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. I have to make it home. I still have to drop off Nathan. Hopefully I make it home, bro.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we're here with
special guest.
With Savage Pickle.
That's me. Also known as Savage.
So we bought a new whip today. Do y'all fuck with the Benz?
Oh shit,
the little E-Class?
Okay, for real. So, why are we in the Mercedes, Nathan? Why are we in the Mercedes?
Someone's transmission blew.
Okay, so I might or might not have allegedly broke my transmission. More, in other words, like blew it up. I don't know why. I wasn't even like pushing it or doing pulls or nothing. I was just being a good Samaritan. And then, I don't know.
Well, all we know is that we're at Fitness 19 right now.
We're at Fitness 19, we're about to hit a workout. And I'll catch you guys later. Don't mind how chopped I am right now, but we're gonna be putting the Corvette in the garage. We're gonna be lifting it up to change the transmission fluid. Alright guys, got the car in the garage. I'm actually only going to put the car in the garage today. I still need to buy the filter, so I'm probably going to do that tomorrow. And I'm just going to leave this resting overnight in the garage. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I change the fluid in the filter and I lift it in the air. Hopefully I don't die. Just woke up. We got the car in the air. So what's up, Dad? So we need to get the ratchet? We need to get the right ratchet. What is it?
21.
21. It's size 21, but we don't have it, so we're gonna go get it, and then we're also gonna get the filter for the transmission. So yeah. So Mom, what do you think about the Corvette right now? You think it's gonna fall?
Yeah, I guess.
It's like on toothpicks. Nah, it's fine. Hopefully my dad doesn't fall. Alright, it doesn't fall on my dad and we have to take him to the ER.
Oh my gosh.
Look, feel me?
What do you think?
What is up, guys? This is like the 4th intro I'm recording, but what's up? Subscribe to the Savage Pickle. Right, Mom?
I love his hair.
Yep, okay. Am I chopped right now or am I?
Yes, you're pretty chopped.
Alright. We're on the way to AutoZone right now. In the truck. Oh, we're speeding hella fast. I'm just joking. We're not speeding fast. We're being normal Samaritans. We got the Monster. I got the Starbucks. But we're gonna go see if AutoZone has the filter, and then we're gonna go to Harbor Freight, and then we're gonna buy some what's it called? Ratchets. We're gonna buy some ratchets, and then yeah. Made it back from the store. Hopefully this is the problem with the car. If not, I might have to buy a new car. I might have to buy the brand new Corvette. Well, my dad's gonna buy it, right? Shout out to my dad for helping me fix the Corvette.
The plug on that one. Plug.
Damn, that's big. It's pretty big.
And then it doesn't drain any fluid. Transmission fluid. So might need more
Fluid?
fluid level.
Oh. Have 911 on speed dial. Oh. Here. You record. Here's the rag. Permanent cameraman for C5 Pickle? Or should we kick Nathan out? You should be the cameraman, huh? Yeah. Sorry, Nathan. You gotta. You're chopped? Nah, you're not chopped. I'm chopped. Look at me.
Give me a flat, a screwdriver flat.
Okay. Here. Oh no. Oh. Awesome.
Ahí está el rack.
Yeah.
Pónselos ahí. Por él quería cartones tuyo. No. ¿Sí hay toalla?
Yeah. We got Mama Pickle and we got Papa Pickle. That's what the fans are calling you. Mama Pickle.
Okay.
And we got Papa Pickle. And I'm Daddy Pickle. The transmission didn't really have fluid in it, to be honest.
Big mess, yeah.
Pretty big mass.
That's okay.
Not bad. Alright, this is the nasty oil. What the hell? It's not a lot of fluid.
No, not enough. It's dark, that's normal. But if it smell like burn, it's not transmission like good.
Alright, Mom. If my car still doesn't work, what car are you gonna buy me? A new Corvette?
Like the, what's it called? It's right over there, the scooter.
Which one? Oh, what is it called? Electric scooter?
Yeah, an electric
Or a
scooter.
little, what is it called? Moped?
The
A moped?
Yeah.
Okay. That's how I'm gonna go to the gym?
Yep. And then your girlfriend on the back.
Bruh.
Your friend,
What?
Nathan.
Bruh, come on. Are you serious?
You guys are gonna be so close like this.
Alright, alright, that's tough. Alright, we got the oil pan all, or what is it? The pan? The pan all clean. What is that?
The magnet.
Magnet?
Yeah.
Papa Pickle?
Papa Pico. Working on the
On the
piece of shit car.
Okay. Alright guys, we got the transmission fluid inside the bottle. We're gonna pump it into the transmission with that thing.
There you go. There you go.
Alright guys, so we finished. We did the job. I didn't record most of it, but we took it for a little test drive, and then it's the same. It's the third gear, so it doesn't switch. So I don't know. We're gonna have to take it to a mechanic, and yeah. All right, guys. So as you know, Corvette it's not working no more, so I have no ride for the next week or whenever I take it to the mechanic. So I guess this is how I'm gonna be going to the gym, getting food, going to work, all that stuff. So yeah.
You're back?
Back.
What happened? You forgot to charge your Tesla?
Yeah, I forgot it's low on battery. So that means I guess I have to take the Mercedes for the rest of the week, right?
Pendejo.